Life of the African lion is a powerful story of survival, family, and dominance set in the vast savannas of Africa, where the rising sun paints the land in gold and a deep roar announces the presence of one of nature's most iconic predators. The African lion, often called the king of the jungle, does not rule through strength alone, but through cooperation, intelligence, and unity. Lions inhabit open grasslands, savannas, and semi-arid regions where heat, hunger, and danger shape every moment of life. Unlike other big cats, lions are social animals that live in groups known as prides, usually made up of related lionesses, their cubs, and a few adult males. This social bond allows them to survive in an environment where food is scarce and competition is fierce. Male lions, recognized by their thick and majestic manes, are the guardians of the pride, spending much of their time patrolling territory and defending their family from rival males, while brutal fights often decide who controls the land and who is forced into a lonely life or death. Lionesses form the backbone of the pride and are responsible for hunting, using teamwork, patience, and strategy to bring down powerful prey such as zebras, antelopes, and wildebeest, ensuring food for cubs and adults alike. Cubs are born blind and helpless, hidden away from danger in the early weeks of life, completely dependent on their mothers for warmth, milk, and protection, while playful chasing and wrestling later become essential training for hunting and survival. Life in the wild is harsh, and many cubs do not survive to adulthood due to starvation, disease, or attacks from rival lions. As apex predators, lions play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem by controlling herbivore populations and preserving the health of the grasslands. However, the African lion faces increasing threats from habitat loss, human conflict, and illegal hunting, reducing their population to a fraction of what it once was. Once roaming across much of Africa, lions are now confined to limited protected areas, fighting not only natural challenges, but the consequences of human expansion. The story of the African lion is not just about power and dominance, but about resilience, cooperation, and the fragile balance between nature and survival. And as long as the savanna endures, the roar of the lion remains a timeless voice of the wild, echoing across the plains and reminding the world of what is at stake if this magnificent species is lost.